In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for leave on Zoho, whether you're planning a vacation or need a day off for personal reasons. Zoho People makes it super easy to manage your time away from work. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Zoho People. Open your preferred web browser and enter the web address for Zoho People. Once you've reached the homepage, you'll see a variety of options and tools available to you as part of this comprehensive HR solution. Now, let's focus on the task at hand. Look for the Quick Actions menu, which is usually displayed prominently on the page. This feature is designed to help you swiftly accomplish tasks without navigating through numerous menus. Click on Quick Actions to proceed. Within the Quick Actions menu, you'll notice a search bar. This is where you can type keywords to locate what you need. For our purposes, type in leave in the search bar. As you type, you'll see options related to leave applications populate. Look for the specific option labeled Leave and click on it to continue. Once you're in the Leave section, you'll be prompted to select a leave type. Zoho typically offers several options, such as vacation, sick leave, or personal days. Choose the one that matches your need by clicking on it. After selecting the leave type, it's time to set the dates for your leave. First, choose your starting leave date. A calendar will typically pop up, allowing you to click on the date you wish to begin your leave. Once you've chosen the start date, move on to the ending leave date. Again, use the calendar to select the date you plan to return to work. With your dates set, Zoho may ask for your team email ID. This ensures that your supervisor or manager is notified of your leave request. Enter the appropriate email ID in the designated field. Adding this information is crucial for maintaining clear communication within your team. The final step involves providing a reason for your leave. This can be a simple note explaining your absence, such as attending a wedding or taking a health day. Enter your reason in the provided field, which helps convey your plans to your team or HR department. Once everything is filled out, click on the Submit button. Zoho will process your request, and you'll typically receive a confirmation message. Be sure to keep an eye on your email or Zoho notifications for any follow-up actions or approvals required from your manager. And there you have it. You've successfully applied for leave on Zoho. This organized process ensures you're keeping your team informed while easily managing your time off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tutorials.